Sunday afternoon. Hi! This is Carla and this is Corey, our yoga instructor for Sundays Outside, David. And look, this is Julie, queen of the house. And that's Jerry back there. Hi, Jerry! He can't hear me. Hi! There's a lot of people here. So look at what she made. I can't even remember it's honey bush, rooibos, and black tea, I believe that one was. And this one's got antioxidant agents in it. Dang, if I can only remember. Look at this. Look at the beauty I'm looking at here. Look, I don't know what that is. That's
Toasted oats.
Toasted oats.
Yogurt.
Yogurt.
And fruit.
And this tea. And this tea, just real quickly.
Butterfly tea.
Butterfly tea.
And this one is a black tea with rooibos and honey bush.
I got that one right.
Unsweetened.
Okay, I already said that. And look at over here. I mean, just fruits and fruits. What is this thing?
That's a passion fruit.
That's a passion fruit?
Yeah.
Oh, I never really was fond of passion fruit. So this is it, and this is her beautiful home. Ringo, say hi. Ringo, where's your buddy Lucky? And this is it right here. Did I get a good video? Boom, 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 boom. So we just got cinnamon. Yeah, ooh, yeah, ooh.
Oh my
yeah.
God.
Yes.
We need to do that on slow-mo. Hold on. Stop drizzling. Look at that picture. Still
Stop
hasn't
drizzling,
even
she
synced.
says.
That's terrible.
Boom.
Where's slow-mo?
Oh, look
Slow-mo.
at that. You do have slow-mo on your thing? You're so funny.
Here we go.
This is magic.
This is magic.
Is that the best?
It's
Oh, that's like
sugar-free.
slow-mo's going to be like double slow-mo now.
The best thing about this is when you bite into it, it melts, and when you leave it sit, it hardens. So it gives you that like gooey.
So it's a double textured thing.
It's like a fake frosting.